If you're still broke in 2025, it's probably not because you don't make enough money. It's because you've fallen into these 5 money traps that keep millions of people stuck living paycheck to paycheck. And today, in our very first video on Broke No More, we're going to break them down so you can finally escape. Welcome to Broke No More. This is the place where we'll teach you everything about money, financial freedom, and building a wealthy mindset. We'll upload fresh videos every single day, so hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss tomorrow's video. The trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. The moment people get a raise or a bonus, they upgrade their lifestyle, new car, bigger apartment, expensive gadgets. But here's the truth. If your expenses rise with your income, you'll always stay broke. The rich stay rich by keeping expenses low and investing the difference. The trap number 2, credit card debt. The credit cards aren't evil, but carrying balances with 20% interest rates is financial suicide. Around the world, households carry thousands in credit card debt. Paying interest on things that lose value is the fastest way to stay broke. The trap number 3, depending on one income. If your only income source is your job, you're one step away from financial disaster. One layoff, one emergency, and you're done. The wealthy build side hustles and passive income streams, so losing one income never wipes them out. The trap number 4, no emergency fund. The car breaks down, medical bill shows up. Without an emergency fund, you go straight into debt. Just $1,000 to start with. Then 3 to 6 months of expenses later can protect you from financial disaster. It's the foundation of financial freedom. The trap number 5, not investing early. Too many people say, I will start investing later. But every year you delay costs you thousands. If you invest just $10 a day starting early, you could retire a millionaire. If you wait 15 years, you'll need 3 times the money to catch up. Time in the market always beats timing the market. If this video is opening your eyes, hit subscribe right now and join the Broke No More community. We're here to teach you the habits, mindsets, and strategies that create real financial freedom. So there you have it, 5 money traps keeping people poor in 2025. The question is, which of these traps are you stuck in right now? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, we'll upload a brand new video tomorrow. 10 side hustles in 2025 that can make you $500 a week. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and together we'll make sure you're broke no more.